You searched for how to buy shares of Ruanyun Edai Technology Inc., a technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RYET. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to your balance. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RYET to find the listing. Make sure you select the NASDAQ entry for the correct Ruanyun Edai Technology Inc. share. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart displayed on the platform. Double-check the company name and the NASDAQ ticker to confirm you have the correct asset. To place a trade, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the buy instruction before submitting. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next available session, and the platform will request you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the purchase, your new position will appear in the portfolio section of the broker. Check the description below for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same steps.